All right, so very excited to show you exactly how you can build absolutely any pipeline just with a little bit of natural language. And this is really where the Orchestra control plane sort of brings to life. So what we've done here is we built an agent called the Databricks Pipeline Builder. And we've given it some instructions, but then we've also given it access to our integrations. So you can ask it a question like, what job run IDs and tables do I have in my Databricks account? And the agent will be able to work this out, which means you're going to save time because you don't have to go into all of your different tools to understand all of your IDs. You could add any number of tools here. So you could get things like AWS GUIDs, you could get like GUIDs from Coalesce or Fivetran. Like the days of having to manually go and get these things manually are over. So if I just go to an old session that I made earlier, you can see I said a very, very similar thing at the top of this chat. I said, fetch me the object IDs for things like workflow jobs, etc. in Databricks. And the agent has actually gone and got all of those things. It's got all my warehouses. It's tried to find some Lakeflow pipelines, but it doesn't have any. And then what I've asked it to do is I've said, identify if these are extract or load or transformation jobs, and then build this data pipeline for me. And it's done exactly that. So we now have this like monitoring plane for all of our runs, and this is exactly what the AI built for us. And you can see it even built it on a new branch, so it knows our developer workflow. And if I run into one of these jobs, you can see the job ID is pre-populated. You can even see that in the latest run, just from running this off the bat, like some of these workflows succeeded, looks like I've not set up my clusters properly, but that's not an agent thing, that's a Databricks thing. So, really feel like we're in a very exciting time now. I was able to build this complete end-to-end pipeline with 2 prompts, and that was it. As long as I had my Databricks connection set up, you should just be a little bit of natural language away from being able to not just build, but also maintain all of your pipelines and therefore save a lot of time. So if you'd like to try this out, check it out in the demo. This agent's feature is called the Orchestra Runtime. It lets anybody easily build, run, and manage AI agents, and we're starting off with some awesome data use cases.